Hey, this is Adrian, part of Unite team. Right now we're showcasing the Huddle areas. These are more relaxed areas and how Unite can facilitate collaboration in this type of spaces. As you can see right now, I'm holding a Windows machine. We have Unite with same UI in many OSs. Right now we have iOS, Mac, and Windows. We also have it available in Android and Linux, Chrome as well. So right now what I'm going to do is start a presentation with Unite Windows, and I can do multiple presentations, right? As you can see at the same time. But not only that, if you have a touch display, you can take advantage of the touch capabilities. For example, um, this is loaded with some other applications for partners. For example, in rAVe Sketch, I can start. This is a whiteboard experience. So as you can see, it's gonna show up another whiteboard besides the other presentations that I have, and I can play with it, right? And I can start scrolling or doing more annotations on it. So this is one example of what the Huddle spaces can do with Unite.